Greetings from Israel. I'm getting ready to go over your work that you have to do this week. I hope that you were able to finish your mobile app assignment and make the slideshow. I noticed that a lot of them haven't been posted yet, but I'm really concerned if you get them done this week, and we will actually show them to the class Tuesday the 19th when I'm back. So this week you're going to make your website. Now what we're going to do with the website is you're going to add some of the assignments that we have done so far, and you will also add some other things as well. So right now, the way that you're going to start a Google site is you're going to log into your Google account, and then you're going to go to sites.google.com, sites.google.com, and then you're going to click on the plus. It says blank. And then your page title is going to be your name and your 3500 section number and spring 2022. Now, before you go any further, you need to make sure you go to the themes. And under the themes, you're going to do the simple theme, just like we did with the blogs. And you can choose a color. Then you can come over here and enter your site name, and again, your name, etc. Then I can change the background image. I'm just going to use something like a kaleidoscope. You can use whatever you want, or you can even upload your own. Then when we get to do the footer, it's going to say add footer at the bottom, and you hit add footer, and you need to go over here to this palette and change the color, because you need to make it a different color from your body and your header. Then in there, you're going to, instead of using small text, you're going to use heading, and you're going to type blog, because you're going to link your blog to that, and you're going to go over to the other side, and you're going to insert contact. Alright, so once you do that, you want to click, you'll see a little publish up in the upper right. Click publish, and you're going to name it. So it'll be, I'm going to do it 3500 spring 2022 web class website sample. And hit publish. And if it is available, it will give me a check and let me go on, and then at the bottom I'll click view. Then when I click view, I'll see what I created to this point. Now you can't, under my right here where it says recording, you'll see this little pencil. That is your edit button. So you click back on the edit button and go back to your home screen there. Alright, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to insert the pages. Now the pages, your home page will be your introduction. So you can leave it home, but what you're going to have on the home page is you're going to say, hi, my name is Debbie, this is my website, take a look at some of the projects I've accomplished in 3500, and we're going to add some other things as well too. Then the next page is going to be, I'll click on home, and then I'm going to go down to the bottom again, move this over here, and I'm going to click plus, and it says add a new page, and that's going to be biography. Done. Now, and then the next page I'm going to have is going to be goals and objectives. Then the next one is going to be back and put the information under each page in a minute. So after goals and objectives, I'm going to put mobile app. And then I'm going to put, after mobile app, I'm going to put, I'm going back to goals and objectives. So I want to put one more before that. I'm going to hit Canva. So now they're in order: home, biography, goals and objectives, Canva, mobile app. Then after mobile app, I'm going to put movie presentation. And the next ones could be final projects. Under your biography subpage, you're going to have your actual biography assignment. And that will include your picture and your biography. Then if you have a resume, I'd like you to add your resume. And then last, I'd like you to add your slideshow, all about me. I'll go back up here to biography and add another. It has to be a subpage. I just showed you what not to do. So it would need to be all about me slideshow. Done. Okay. Then under your goals and objectives, you're going to have your concept map. Under the goals and objectives, you have a subpage that says concept map of goals and objectives. And under Canva, you'll have your brochure and your Canva slide presentation. Then you'll have your insert your mobile app slideshow here, and then under your final project, I will tell you the last view to put under that, and your movie presentation. I will show you what information you need to include under final projects in the next week or so. So right now what you're going to do is make sure you do your home page, tell your name and what it's about, your biography, give your biography information with the picture, or your resume, if you have a resume on that subpage, and on that subpage you will insert your YouTube video, your slideshow from Google Slideshow. So basically what you do, you insert that. Goals and objectives, you'll have your concept map of goals and objectives, your Canva brochure and Canva slide presentation. Your mobile app slideshow should be embedded. Your movie will start working on this week, and your final projects will be the final week.